Hi everyone, it's Marky. Today I just wanted to talk about this 1821 man-made wash. This is a body wash, a shampoo, and a conditioner. So it is a 3-in-1 and it is geared towards men. The smell is really nice. It's subtle, but it's like the sweet tobacco, really nice scent that has kind of masculine energy to it. Being a 3-in-1, it's super easy to use. Obviously, you just put a quarter size amount in your hand and then rub it through your beard, your hair. You can use it as a body wash, whatever you need in the shower, this can be used for. My husband really loves this. I think it smells great when he gets out of the shower. He just smells so handsome. It's like a handsome, clean smell. So I think if you have a man in your life that wants something that's going to be easy, it's great for all skin types and all hair types. And it's just really convenient to have all three things in one, so he's not having to buy a whole bunch of different products. I think this would be a perfect choice. And not to mention the bottle looks really cool also. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.